Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. This is Carla and today I'll be preparing some cashew juice. If you want to see how I get it done, please stay tuned. Alright, so I have some cashews here and I am in the process of getting them thawed out. They are frozen. I placed them in the refrigerator for about 4 days now. So I'm getting them frozen. Then I'm going to start the ball a roll. Alright, so now I'm going to be getting these cashews prepared. I'm going to be removing the nut. As easy as that. These are all the nuts I got. And now I'm going to be washing these cashews. Alright, so now I'm going to be getting these cashews prepared for blending. I'm going to be cutting them in smaller pieces. Alright, now I remember in a previous video I outlined all the health benefits of the cashew. They are really healthy. They have a lot of health benefits, which I outlined in a previous video. So if you're interested in finding out all the health benefits that these fruits has to offer, you may go and you may go into my description and you'll find the video link there. All right, now one drawback from this though, I'm not used to using artificial stuff. I always use, real ingredients for my dishes or whatever I'm doing. When I say real, this is what I mean. I have some concentrated ginger that I'm gonna be using. That's not my thing. I'm used to using the real ground fresh ginger, but I wasn't able to get any at the time, so I'm going to be using what I have available now. So let me show you what it looks like. So this is the Home Choice Jamaican ginger extract. It's actually my first time using it because I'm used to using my fresh ground ginger, but I'm using this for today. So yeah. Alright, so to my blender I'm going to be adding the cashew. Alright, so now to my blender I'm going to be adding some water. I think I'm gonna need some more water. Alright, so now to this I'm going to be adding some sugar, and you mix and taste as you go along. You add the amount of sugar depending on how sweet you want your drink. Alright, so I've added about 5 tablespoons of sugar. Sorry, 5 tablespoons of sugar. And now I'm going to be adding some vanilla extract. Sorry, not vanilla, some ginger extract. Alright, no special measurement. I'm just going to be tasting as I go along. Alright. Alright, so finally my cashew juice is finished, and yes, I have tasted and it is absolutely refreshing. I have also added some ice cubes to it, to make it a little bit cooler. Alright, so after I blended everything together, I made sure to strain the juice, because you don't want to be drinking and to be having any trash in your mouth, the cashew trash or anything like that. You don't want any interference when you're drinking this juice. Trust me, it is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Really delicious, really nutritious, so healthy for your body, right? Alright, so let me tell you, just in case you might not have any ginger, you may use lemon juice also. Yes, it tastes just as good. Alright, so if you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please remember to watch those ads to support this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.